Hi guys, this is Katie and today is a busy day or week. So if you are new here, my name is Katie. I'm an expat here in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here. If you've seen me before, welcome back. So if you haven't yet seen my video, we are actually going to be leaving Thailand this year. I say it with a heavy heart. We've had 4 incredible years here in Thailand, 6 amazing years in Asia, and we're calling this one last move. We're having we're hoping it's one last move to our next destination, and we're moving in like just over 2 weeks now. So, and we actually have shipping being collected in 12 days. So I have 12 days to pack up our entire 2-bedroom apartment ready to move. A little stressful. We're not taking everything. We have sold a few things to people from my work. We have like just kind of that like got rid of a few things. There's a charity shop not far from us, so we'll take some stuff to them as well. But yeah, so we're not going to take everything, but we are quite sentimental people. So we have a lot of things from China and a lot of things from Thailand, like souvenirs and just random stuff that we want to keep safe and take with us to our next destination. So yeah, this is what this video is. Me shipping up our apartment. It's a Sunday today. I'm not going to get it all done today, but it's going to be a process. So let's start it today at least. I don't know how to start, but yeah, let's try. So we're going with 7 Cs for our packing. We used them when we came from England to China, China to Thailand. We've got all of our boxes. They arrived this week. And they're great. They just deliver a load of boxes. If you don't use any, then they just take them back and you don't get charged for them. And they give you a load of like package materials and stuff as well. And this time I did the clever thing by buying a load of bubble wrap, probably too much bubble wrap, from Lazada, which is like cheaper than buying it from the post office. And I have like it in bulk, which is great because when we moved from England to China, most of our stuff got ruined because I didn't bubble wrap anything and just put things in boxes loosely. So yeah, let's go. Let's try and do this, shall we? So we have so much like random stuff that I don't know where to start. Part of me was like maybe just be organised and go like room by room. But we have so much like random clothes that we had in China that we never really wore here, but we might want to wear in our next destination because it'd be colder. So I think I'm going to go through the wardrobe, which is a challenge in itself. Okay, we can do this. So one thing I did learn when we did our shipping last time from China to here was to write everything down. So you need to have an idea of what's in every box. Well, one, just because it makes it easier on the other end, but also you do need to write I don't know if it's the same with every shipping company, I presume it is, but with 7 Cs, you have to write what's in each box. You don't have to be like super detailed, but you do need to write down like clothing, how many items, like books, how many items, that type of stuff. So I'm going to try and make sure I write everything down as I get started. It is now exactly 10:47 and we are done. There's still random bags of rubbish around because it's like stuff that we've just thrown out. We've got a grand total of 13 large boxes, 1 custom box, and 1 suitcase. So that will be picked up tomorrow. So we're actually going with Seven Seas. It's a shipping company that we used to get our stuff from England to China and then China to here. I've always found them really helpful and reliable. So yeah, that should be good. The person actually that's picking it up tomorrow has already like messaged me on the Line app and was like, oh, we're gonna get hit there for about 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's good that they kind of contacted me already. Yeah, and it just kind of puts your mind at ease. So one of our boxes is like a custom box. Basically, it's not one of the boxes they've given us. We had these like big posters from one championship that are like made out of like foam, and we had 4 of them because we've been to 4 events. And we framed them to try and like keep them like protected, but we couldn't find a box big enough for them, so we kind of used the boxes that the frames came in and fashioned some type of like odd box together. But they were like, that's fine, we can also then put those boxes in one big box afterwards in the warehouse. That's good. Anyway, Seven Seas picking up this tomorrow. It is like nearly 11 o'clock. We haven't even had dinner yet tonight, guys, because we were just like, we just need to get it done, otherwise we're not gonna be able to relax. So, and I feel all like sniffly because we were going through like the back of cupboards that obviously haven't been like looked in a while. So I feel like I'm covered in dust. Anyway, but yeah, almost there. We're so close to being there. And then, so tomorrow's Friday, and that's when the shipping gets picked up. Saturday, and also the woman from our like agency is coming around in the afternoon to like check the place and stuff like that. And then we've got Saturday, someone's coming to collect our TV, and someone's also coming to collect, like we've got like a kitchen unit that someone's picking up, and the desk. So there's 2 people coming to get some stuff. Sunday, we are gonna go and try and get some like bits and bobs done. Like I think we're gonna go to a few of the shopping malls, pick up a few bits and bobs. I still have vouchers. I have vouchers from some students from like Christmas, so I need to spend them. And then Monday will be like just chilling, getting our suitcases ready for our flight on Tuesday. So yeah, busy last few days here in Thailand. It's kind of getting really real now. But anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling on and get some dinner because I'm starving now, and probably tidy up. There's like bits of bubble wrap on the floor, so I should probably pick that up. Yeah, see you in a bit, guys. Right, I am surrounded by boxes. We are almost there. I'm now at a stage, I've cleared out the whole house, like the whole apartment. We've checked all the drawers, and now it's now Friday morning, sorry. It's it's really early. It's like 6 o'clock. Well, it's not early. I'm normally at work by this point, but it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 6, just getting everything kind of like tidied and organised. And now I just need to be putting little things, like doing the boxes up, like closing the lids, writing all the stuff, writing all the information on the side, and then I'm done. Right guys, shipping is now ready to go. So we have got 15 boxes in total. We have 13 of these bigger ones. This is like some artwork stuff, like these posters that I mentioned before. And then we also have a suitcase around the corner. But 2-bedroom apartment in Bangkok is now packaged up into these boxes. Right, I better go get the people from downstairs.